Welcome to new video on trading for beginner. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly making a video related to free stocks, free online tool, free AI tools and many other topics. Today in this video, I am going to introduce you with a best free animation software. With the help of this software, you can create 3D animation and there is no any watermark or no any paid subscription for lifetime. You will get this software for free lifetime and there is no any watermark and limitation. Now first of all, open any internet browser and search blender.org, home for the Blender project. Open this website. You can see here the current version of Blender is Blender 4.1. If you want to know more about the Blender software, then you can just simply scroll it and read more blogs from this website. Now to download, click on this download button. I have Windows one, so it suggests me a window, and also you can download this for Mac OS and Linux operating system too. Click on this download Blender. Once you click on this, a software will be automatically started to download on your device. If you press Ctrl+J, then the download list will be open and you can see here your software is started to download. After the download complete, you can simply install it on your device. If you are a completely beginner on 3D animation, then I must recommend you to check couple of the tutorial video from YouTube. There are thousands of tutorial videos on Blender. In the YouTube, there is a guy called Blender Guru who teaches Blender very well, and there is a series of making donut from this to this. You will learn all of the basic on this full tutorial video, so I recommend you to check this video. If you are completely beginner, you can check Blender Guru Blender tutorial from part 1 to part 14. I hope you love this video and it will be helpful for you to find out best 3D free animation software without watermark. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel Trading for Beginner and also hit the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.